Hi, it's Below Zero BMX, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check. Alright, so I'm riding a 2017 Fit Nordstrom right now. So let's get into this. My forks, those are 33 millimeter CRMO tapered 3/8. And then the colors, obviously, is just a gloss black. My headset is an integrated 45/45 sealed 41.8 millimeter. My handlebars, I have a 2-piece CRMO crossbar 9 X29. My grips, well, I should have Savage flangless, but right now I have to ride these Walmart grips because my other one snapped when I was trying to take them off, so that kind of sucks. The seat really doesn't matter, so. My rims, I'm riding Revenge SW1 36H. Both, so you have that. Cassette, by the way, I ride cassette. My front hub is an alloy sealed 3/8 axle. And my rear hub is an alloy cassette LHD. Okay. Black's full. Black's full. And my spokes are 14 black. Cool, so they're chrome. And I have my tires. Well, I mean, I put different tires on, but right now I'm riding 2.4 Odyssey tires. In my opinion, those are better. These tires are really good. I've been riding these for a while. I highly suggest them to you guys. In my crankset, I have an indented CRMO 170 millimeter 8 spleen LHD. My bottom bracket is sealed bearing mid. Wow. My pedals are Odyssey Twisted PC. And I don't have brakes. I don't ride brakes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And tell me what type of videos you guys would like to see next.